if my wife knew I spent about $45 on a lawnmower cover, she'd probably beat me. But we're running out of space under the carport, and I got a backup car the other day that I want to turn into a camper van. So I had to move stuff around, and with the money I put in restoring this, or getting this old lawnmower to work, I think it's a worthwhile investment. This is Roma. We got a tent by them not too long ago, but this is not just an ordinary cheap cover. This is very, very thick, rubberized. It's almost like nylon coated canvas almost. Pretty heavy. And the stitching is double stitched. I mean, this is like a summer camp tent, not a, little Walmart type tent kind of fabric and stitching. It's got elastic all the way around, and it's got two big old tie straps. So it's universal in size. It's 72 by 44, which is pretty big. And with the straps, I could tie it down so wind don't get up under, and that way I just spent a lot of money in getting a new carburetor for this old riding lawnmower. Now I could put it out from under the carport and don't have to worry about rusting up my new carburetor. So if you need one of these things, I think it's a worthwhile investment. And if I ever get space back under my carport, I'll probably use this over the top of the grill. Who said I can't modify things? Alright, so $45 lawnmower cover, pretty good, pretty thick, pretty heavy. I think it's a good purchase.